Thermax Fest, and I'm here presenting to you TOSL, Thermax On-Site Energy Solutions Limited.
I'm proud to share that we have successfully demonstrated the production of syngas from coal and subsequently into chemicals.
We have developed a new range of products called FlexiSource and process waste coming out of their plants.
Managing sustainability in an affordable manner is the biggest challenge for the industry.
FlexiSource is a result of years of experience and research.
Thermotron is not just a product, it's a symbol of our commitment towards sustainable growth and environmental responsibility.
Ardiaga famously once said that profit is not just a set of figures, it's a set of values. And we live that every day in Thermax.
Green hydrogen plays a pivotal role in decarbonizing hard-to-abate industries, underscoring Thermax's role as a trusted partner in energy transition.